While I was out jumping my van merrily in the month of May, my battery flipped over, and that broke my battery box. Well, that's not a good thing. This part's missing. Batteries are a precious commodity at Dave's farm. So I've got to make a new one. Redneck battery box. I've got a dehumidifier pan. That should work, except it's too big. Way too much room for that battery to bounce around in or fit in that confined space. So to zip it up with my zip cut saw, weld her back together to the right size, and figure out some way to reinforce it and weld it to the unibody. I'm properly attired and ready to rip. Less than 1 minute later, my bucket is in 4 pieces. You can also do this with a tray that comes out of the bottom of a fridge. I'm calling this resizing the bucket. Now I take the pieces, put them together and overlap them. Just like a jigsaw puzzle. There, now I have a bucket the right size for my battery. I just have to weld it together in a few spots. Cool. Like it was made for it now. A few vice grips later, now it can stay in position while I weld it without the battery. Ready to roll. Done. It wasn't necessary to completely weld it seamlessly so that it could hold liquids, because it's never going to have to do that again. It'd be good if the battery acid leaked out and had someplace to go. So I've removed the broken battery box, and underneath there was this handy dandy mounting plate that I can attach my new bucket to. But over here I had to add another little piece of metal to bring this level up to the same height as this level, so I have a wider point to weld my bucket to. That's the next step. I just turned my 120 amp welder up to maximum power and burnt holes right through the bottom and welded this thing to the steel plates underneath. So now it's 100% solid. Cool. Ready for reinstallation, almost. Lots of joyriding experience tells me that when a battery sits on a metal plate like that, it gets the bottom chewed out of it and leaks all its acid out. So I like to save these little floor mats and shove them in and protect my battery. Nice and cozy and color keyed to match. All done now. My battery's in there super snug. Nothing's even holding it down. Perfect. Try her out. Gotta love it.